Hi, this is Derek Murphy of creativity.com. I'm making this video to show off a pretty cool 3D book cover generator tool that I had built that I'm really excited about. I've wanted a tool like this for a long time and I could never get the technology to work. And I've seen some similar things on a few other platforms, but they're usually for like really basic 3D images. I'll show you what I mean. This kind of stuff, generally templates like this that are this good looking, you need to use Photoshop. So there's some nice websites that let you download Photoshop templates, and if you have Photoshop, you can learn how to upload your cover. But I really wanted a cool online version that worked really well. So some of these, you'll notice they have spines, so you'll have to open your cover, and you're also going to need a spine that's the right width, and upload both of those images to generate the image. But for now, I'm just going to pick another one which doesn't have the spine, so I only have to upload the front image, and I'm just going to go to next and then browse for pictures. So you can do it for fiction or non-fiction. Let me see where I am. So if I go down here and I grab one of my covers, I'll just grab one of my fiction covers and upload it, and that will work pretty quickly. It's uploaded the image, and then I can go to next, and then all I have to do is go down here to download PNG or Jpeg. The PNG has a transparent background, so if I click that one and download it, then I can use that and put it on top of a different background to make really unique promotional graphics. I'm going to be building templates with DIYbookcovers.com. So here it is without a background. It's just a really nice simple 3D image that looks. But I'm actually going to go back. Even if it only did these things, it would already be, I showed you a second ago, these basic simple mockups. Even if it just did these, this would already be the best tool out there, because with all these different PNGs, and also I chose specific ones so they can be combined together. So for example, you could get an iPhone and an ebook reader and a hardback or a paperback and put them all together in a mockup. But I want to do that for you, so I have this composite tab over here, which gives you these templates that are really just one click. So if I click on this one, for example, and I do the same thing, I just go down, I go over here to next, and I upload my cover. This time maybe I'll do a nonfiction one if I can find one of my nonfiction books. Nope, I can't. So I'll just grab this vampire cover and upload it. This is going to be a completely free tool. It looks like I don't have high quality book covers right there, but I'm just going to go here to next and then download the PNG, and I could just download a JPEG and it'll give you a white background. That's totally fine. The nice thing about the PNG, like I said, is that you can add a different background. I'm going to have a whole bunch of different backgrounds you can use so you can make really nice looking promotional graphics. So this tool is going to be completely free. It'll be on DIYbookcovers.com. I'm not exactly sure the total URL, but probably 3D book mockups or something like that. This one's a little slower to download because it's a composite, but it's downloading now. And then I'm also going to make, in DIYbookcovers.com, I have a different tool that's another really advanced book cover design tool, and that's where I'm going to make some book promotion and marketing graphics that you can use. And most of that's also going to be free. I'm going to have some free templates and samples, but then there's a paid membership where if you want a whole bunch of other options with a bunch of advanced features, plus some book marketing tips and stuff like that, there's a paid option. It's still, for what I'm including, it's still a pretty good deal. But this one's going to be totally free because I just want it to be out there. So this is what it looks like. This took, a minute or two. All I had to do was upload my front cover, and it made all of these graphics for me. And this is a really nice graphic. It only looks dark like this because it's transparent background, but actually I could put this, on a table or a countertop with a beach background or a dystopian background or whatever to really make unique graphics. So I hope this tool is going to be really useful. I'm excited about it because, like I said, I don't think there's anything out there on the internet that's as good, and there's nothing out there that allows you to do composites like this. So if you do like it, I hope you share it or recommend it to other people. If you do share graphics like this, if you make some graphics and they work and you share them on Twitter or Facebook, then you could tag me, and say, thanks for this awesome tool that I found. That would be much appreciated. I spent quite a bit of money and time getting this tool developed. I'm not a coder myself, so I had to hire people who could help me to make it the way that I want. But I do think it's really the best tool available right now. So I'm excited about that. I hope you'll share. I hope you're excited about it too. Let me know what you think in the comments on Facebook or on my group, creativity.com. Thanks. Bye-bye.